is a band-assisted split stance beginner plyometric drill. You're gonna grab a band, you're gonna hook it to something about belt buckle height, waist height. You're gonna step inside the band and you're gonna put it around your waist. We don't wanna pull it too high and pull you into an arch position. We wanna have it right around the top of the pelvis so you can relax your hips and be in a nice stack position. You're gonna stagger your stance just like this and allow the band to help you sink back over the top of your back leg. I've got kind of a kickstand here. 60–70% of my body weight at least is on the back leg, and I'm gonna do an oscillated plyometric on the front leg here where I'm focused on landing in the heel and rolling through the full foot contact. So I'm gonna hit heel, ball the big toe, heel, ball the big toe, while trying to keep the whole foot flat. So I'm gonna bounce heel toe just like this, try to feel the whole foot move through that whole gait cycle, and I'm just popping heel to toe while I stay heavy on the back leg just like this. So I'm trying to get a heel, toe, pop off, heel, toe, pop off. Notice how I'm kind of staying in a negative shin angle here. You're gonna kind of get a negative to a mid stance, so your knees kind of stopping right at shoelaces. We're not getting really far forward like this. You're staying behind this leg while you're doing this, and you're thinking about inner heel, ball the big toe, inner heel, ball the big toe. You do not want to do it at the expense of the knee position. So you want to keep everything, hip, knee, and foot in line while you're popping just like this. That's how it's done, guys. Very nice. I like.